Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. Today we have another banger. We're going to a car meet in Edison hosted by Segoy, and I think it's going to be like a smaller meet, so I'm excited for those. I like the smaller meets.
What did he say?
I'll see you guys when we get there.
All right, guys, we just pulled up to the meet, and look at the first thing that I see here. Ready? You got this thing, and then first thing I see at the meet, dude. This thing looks insane. Oh my god.
Did you see the side?
What side?
Right there.
Oh damn. Oh, and it's right-hand drive. Guys, we have an R34 right next to an R33. Jesus Christ, this thing is... Yo, I was not expecting this at all, whatsoever. Oh, this is fire. Oh, and a Porsche. R33 with carbon fiber on BBSs. Right-hand drive. Jesus Christ. Thing's insane. Yeah, I definitely wasn't expecting to see a 34 here. Dude, that thing is... Oh my god. This thing's also mean. Babe, what's this car? Wrong answers only.
It's a the Lotus.
Good answer. Lotus. Guys, in the spirit of Easter, since this meet is being hosted inside a parking lot with a bunch of businesses looking for cars, Romina made this initial joke, so I'm gonna give her the credit. Looking for cars here is like an Easter egg hunt. Because, like, we're, like, looking around to see where the cool cars are. Where I parked is almost, like, 9 parking rows away from where I just saw the R34 and the R33.
For every cool car, there's like 5 NPC cars.
Literally. Between the R33 and the R34, there was, like, some, like, soccer mom van. Look, for you guys to understand what I was saying, NPC, then Evo. That's for you guys to understand. What car is that? Wrong answers only.
WRX.
Nice answer. You know, it's funny how some people would actually call it a WRX.
Oh my
Guys.
god, it's a Miata.
Wrong answers only, babe. What is that?
Miata.
It's a Miata, guys. Gotta show love to the fellow E46 with the Pikachu on it. I love it. I love it. I saw this from a distance. In NSX, I can't even speak the English. I can't even speak the English. Oh look, it's a Type R. Nice. Wait, I want to see the NSX. No. Alright. After chasing the NSX, he decided to turn back onto the little row that I'm in. Oh man. Jesus, this thing is insane. Oh my god, it looks so nice. And the Miata. That's insane. This matches the color combo actually isn't even that bad, to be honest. It's kind of funny though, but it looks nice. See guys, my Volkswagen's by himself. The Porsche's right there. I got a Supra next to me, kind of. Oh, this thing is clean. Jesus. Yeah, it's clean. Yeah. Oh, that's so clean. This thing looks so nice. That thing's nice.
I like the wheels.
One of the most underrated JDM cars, the Eclipse. Super clean. I want them to get back into the trend, low key. They've been focused, please. There you go. So clean. Babe, wrong answers only. What car is that?
A Supra.